Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a black screen in Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, you just have to make sure that your app is updated or not and check your internet connection. So first thing, we're going to check our internet connection. If it's good, then we should not be having that problem. We're going to switch to another network if available for a smooth experience. Next thing, we're going to update our app. We're going to go to our App Store or Play Store and we're going to search Roblox and see whether our app needs an update, that's why it's acting up, or a what. So once we have checked for the update, we're going to update our app if it needs, otherwise let it be, and we're going to go back. And now we're going to go ahead and long press on our app and we're going to tap on remove app and tap on delete app to uninstall it. Now you're going to do the same in your Android device as well. You're going to long press on it and tap on uninstall. Once we have uninstalled, we're going to go to our App Store or Play Store respectively, and then again we're going to go ahead and type in install for the app and reinstall it, and then we should not have that black screen problem. Sometimes it can happen once in a while, so make sure to reinstall your app and that should help you out. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.